Good day, everyone. I am LJ Janti Salivar, a graduating student taking up Bachelor of Science in Computer Science from the College of Computer Studies of Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, and served as an on-the-job training intern as part of the academic requirement for our program. So my internship allowed me to apply knowledge and skills that I learned in school into a real working environment while gaining professional experience in system development and teamwork. So, OJT training conducted within the workplace environment, and participants acquire job specific competences while performing actual duties and receiving compensations. So, the primary objective of this program is to position the participants in roles that enhance long-term employability and foster self-sufficiency. So supervisors and managers bear the responsibility of leveraging available resources to train, qualify, and advantage their employees. So OGTs. So we are trained by the company. So about MDRRO, our company. So I conducted my on-the-job training at the Municipal Disaster Risk Reduction Management in Bato of the local government unit of Bato. So this is located in Tres Reyes, Bato, Camarines Sur. So the Municipal Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office in Bato serve as a critical entity in advancing disaster preparedness and orchestrating effective emergency responses across the municipality. So the MDRMO plays a vital role in ensuring disaster preparedness, emergency response, recovery, and rehabilitation within the municipality. The office was established under RA 10121, also known as the Philippine Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Act of 2010. So their main responsibilities includes disaster risk preparedness planning, emergency response coordination, the public safety awareness programs, and rescue operations. And lastly, collaboration with government agencies and locals. So, what are the accomplishments during? Before that, I would like to introduce the vision and mission of our company. So, the company's vision is the safer and adaptive and disaster resilient Batowenyo communities working toward sustainable development. So, and the mission is to lead in building safer, adaptive, and disaster resilient communities by institutionalizing effective and inclusive disaster risk reduction and management systems, empowering citizens through education and active participation, strengthening local capacities, and promoting environmental responsibility and climate change adaptation, ensuring a secure and sustainable future for all Batuenos. So our team is composed by our leader, Sir Eric P. Mirabueno, Mirabueno, our LDRMO officer 3. So his assistant is Ma'am Malin G. Villanueva and Ma'am Jayla Bigamayan for research and planning leader, and Sir Eliseo Jeho Ibrela, our leader in operations and warning unit. So that's it for our team. So um, for the accomplishment the during the OGT, so we developed a system PCR. So during my training, I served as an assistant in developing patient care report system for emergency response and documentation. So, so our my accomplishments include system assistance and development. So I assisted in developing a patient care report system used for emergency documentation. I supported backend development and system organization. I helped in implementing features such as creating and editing patient care records, viewing and organizing incident reports, search and filtering dashboard. And for testing integration, I participated in system testing and debugging and checking data accuracy and system outputs and assisting personnel in improving the efficiency through digital solutions. So as an intern, my role was to support an ongoing operations while contributing technical assistance to improve office processes. So, so my learnings during the OJT is for technical learnings, I acquired web application and development fundamentals and database management and data organization, system testing and debugging practices, application and workflow integration. So, not only about the things that were tackled in school, but I also learned professional things from our sir and mom. So, I've learned that workplace should have all discipline and responsibility. So, we should have an effective communication for to our supervisor and staff, and collaboration in government environments, and problem solving and adaptability in real work situations. And I also learned how information technology can directly support disaster response and public service operations. So these are the documentations during so these are all the documentations during my intern in Bato. So overall, my experience at MDRMO Bato was highly valuable and fulfilling. So our office provided a supportive learning environment where I was able to enhance my technical skills, professionalism, confidence as an aspiring professional. Working alongside experienced personnel allowed me to understand real-world responsibilities and the importance of teamwork and service to the community. So this internship served as an important bridge between academic learning and professional practices, and this prepared me for future challenges in the field of computer science. So thank you very much.